Because balls are fun.
Dude, this one has a laser sight on it. Nerf technology is getting
light beam.
It's getting way too hardcore for children.
Red dot, red light. It has a light and a dot.
Oh man, friggin' lasers. Nerf technology is improving rapidly.
I know.
They're gonna be shooting like rubber bullets soon. Come with vests. Warning, not for ages 30 and below. Will break ribs. Oh, dude, they have a bow thing.
I want a Nerf gun that shot like with CO2.
Look at all that ammo. Look at all that.
Yeah, you need that because you're gonna lose it.
You're gonna lose it. What happened? A shotgun?
Yeah, the double barrel.
Oh man, and it's breech loaded.
I want to buy this football. What are the employees are looking at us like they think we're stealing? Well, you know, all the time, you know.
I mean, as a person who works at Best Buy, what do you think about the people who walk around in Best Buy?
Sometimes they're all stealing.
Yeah, that's what... Well, you know, sometimes LP tells like, watch out for that guy. You gotta make sure you contact him. I was like, I've talked to him like 3 times trying to sell him stuff. And I'm like, I don't think make sure you're good. They're a lot.
That was so scary.
Ah, dude.
Look at how gross and human-like his hands are.
Why is his eyes all
You're
red?
touching your dead ghost baby.
Put your fingers in his mouth.
Squish his red eyeballs.
Oh, he's sad.
He just started moving.
Ah. He is really scary though.
He is really scary.
I would hate to have that in my room at night, like on a desk.
Just if you didn't know he moved like we didn't.
Look at his eyes are
Whatever,
red.
stop it!
Why are his eyes red?
He's gonna freaking just bite you.
It's like freaking when Jake told me that guy wasn't real.
Ah,
He just told you to stop touching
evil
him.
laugh. All his face, he's animation in his eyes.
That's pretty. What if it says not electrical? Batteries not included.
For real friends, more like for real.
You can feel his bones.
Terrors.
That's scary.
I don't think I'm allowed to film this right here. It's like copyright infringement.
Well, he's gonna kill you, so it'll be fine. Before you can get arrested, he'll kill you.
How long is this video?
Like 10 minutes. Where are we, Kanoe?
Toys R Us.
And?
Sacramento.
Yeah. We don't even live here. I mean, what? We live here. We don't live in Sacramento. We're here for him, yeah.
What's the point of this?
Is that what it is? Sounds very well.
You can turn it into a football.
What are we doing here? We need to go to the mall before they close.
What is freaking like
It's like 8 o'clock.
6:46?
It's like 8 o'clock is what I said. What is that? Oh, dude, there's bowling pins? Where's the bowling ball? Where's the rest of the pins? Why does this have like a weird texture? This is gross. It's like veiny. Is that funny? To you?
Yeah, it was kind of funny.
Ooh, areola. Ooh. Wait.
What are you supposed to be doing?
It's supposed to fly up. That'd be awesome.
Like
Oh, dude, that'd be so awesome. And you catch them
catch
too.
them with it, too.
Wow.
How much is it?
Technology.
Buy 2.
$11.99 each.
Oh, we should not buy 2.
A red and a blue one. We should buy 8 of them. 8 of them so all of us could play, but I could have 2.
Whoa.
Look at how big this Christian Bale replica is. Look at this.
Quit hitting my head.
Oh,
What are
wow.
you hitting my head with?
A bowling pin.
Oh, okay.
My phone.
I thought you were like banging the
Dude, that is a really big figure.
Look at his face.
It looks like him. That looks like when he's talking. That looks like when he's doing the voice. My name's Christian Bale, and I'm trying to do an American voice. My name's Batman.
Oh, dude.
I need to get justice. Justice for all. I am the Shadow.
Whoa, move out of the way.
That is really annoying.
That's fun toys, only $3.99.
Naruto.
Spawn series. That's probably an older series.
I'm Prince Caspian.
Your sword's really small. Marla.
What?
Hello.
Let me see this.
I want to see is my hair messed up from
No.
wearing the helmet?
Nah. It looks the same.
Alright, guys, we should probably get going.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah, we need to go to the mall.
Wait, wait.
We should probably get going so we can go home and not.
I'm doing it faster than you, Koba.
Yeah, come down, Metal Gear Solid.
That's not him.
Survive the electricity. Hey, we need to get beer.
Look, I can be ESPN sportscaster, Mike. Look at that little kid.
Let me see.
He's definitely gonna get fun.
Oh man,
98?
I wish that was me. Is that an Eric thingy? It's Power Rangers Jungle Fury. I don't know if I'm allowed to film that. It is an Eric thing, you jerk.
I didn't know.
Ah, my eyes.
Did it get you?
Yeah. Wait, get him in the back of the head.
I'm
Come
gonna have to go forever. I'm gonna give you guys a
in
going
the get close.
This ain't that cool.
Super cool.
Hey, oh man. Jake has one of those.
Now Jake's is broken.
Oh man, pogo sticks. We should all get pogo
Jake's has a hole, and then try and do them on the stairs. On the stairs, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, that is hardcore.
You do it up the stairs.
Oh, I do it well on the stairs.
Don't ever Don't ever try to get him out of
I think that guy that just went by had a Jabberwocky
Did you
shirt.
realize that?
Yeah.
Don't do it, it'll break.
to.
It'll break. Because McFarlane toys do that when you're trying to pose them in a different way.
What is, I don't. What character is that?
Man of Miracles.
He looks lame.
You're lame.
What? Say it to my face.
You don't have a face.
Say it to my camera.
You don't have a looking. Say bye it.
Where'd they go? Hey.
No, because I want the camera.
Running. Running. Oh.
Sonic in the Black Knights.
You need to go so I can stop filming.
Please stop.
We need to. I need to.
The Sonic is coming.
And movie over.